Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss Quantitative Aptitude by S Agarwal and the topic is Numbers MCQ Part 25. Problem number 121. Number of times 99 is subtracted from 4 ones so that the remainder is less than 99. So we need to subtract 99 from this number continuously such that we have to get the remainder that should be less than this 99. So if you are considering in the sense nearest value 99 10 times if you are placing in the sense we will get it as 990. And if you are subtracting 990 from this number in the sense we will get the remainder 121. So this is not the value that is less than 99. So add one more times 99. So we will get it as 1089 and this is closer to 41. Okay. So 1089 if we are subtracting in the sense 2, we will get the value 22. So the remainder we will get 22. And this remainder is less than 99. Okay. So how many times 99 is subtracted from this number? This is 10 times plus 1 time here. Okay. So totally 11 times we have subtracted the multiple of 99 with this number. Then we are getting the remainder that is less than 99. So the correct answer is option B11. Problem number 122. Find the number which is nearest to 457 and is exactly divisible by 11. Okay, the number nearest to 457 exactly divisible by 11. So we will consider in this 4 options only. Option A, if you are considering in the sense 450 by 11. This is not divisible by 11. Option B, if you are considering 451 divided by 11. Yes, it is divisible. This is 4 times and 1, that is 41. Okay. And option C, if you are considering, that is 460 divided by 11. This is not divisible by 11. So option D, if you are considering, that is 462 divided by 11. Yes, it is divisible by 11. This is 4 times and 2. So this is 42, we will get it. Okay. So here if you are considering in the sense the nearest number close to 457 that should be exactly divisible by 11. So it may be 451 or it may be 462. So if you are considering in the sense 457 minus 451 we are getting the difference 6. And 462 minus 457 we are getting the difference 5. So which one is nearest? 6 or 5? So the difference 5 is the nearest. So the correct option is 462, option D. Problem number 123. The largest number nearest to 99547 which is exactly divisible by 687. So this is also related to previous problem only. Okay. So the largest number nearest to this number. That should be divided by 687. So here we will implement the logic. Divide this number by 687 and what is the remainder we are getting? We will consider with that. And that remainder we will subtract from this divisible value. Okay. So divide 99547 by 687. So the one time 687 and here we will get it 3084 and 4 times 2748 and the remainder is 3367 and next is 5 times of 687 2748 and the remainder we will get it as 619. Okay. Now subtract this remainder value from this divisible value. So the divisible value was 687 And the remainder we are getting here is 619. So we will get it as 68. If you are adding 68 to this number, then that sum is exactly divisible by 687. So we'll check it. 99547 plus 68. So we will get it 99615. And this is the number exactly divisible by 687. So the correct option is option C, 99615. Sorry, the question here is 144, not 145. Then problem number 124. What largest number of 5 digit is divisible by 99? So largest number in the sense, always we need to consider 999 nines. Okay. And the smallest number in the sense, first digit should be 1 and the remaining digits we need to consider as zeros. Okay. So this is the logic of largest number and smallest number. So here, largest 5 digit number. So all digits should be 9. All 5 digits should be 9. 99999. So this is the largest 5 digit number. Okay. And divide this largest 5 digit number by 99. Then we will get the remainder, that is 9. So here the simple logic is subtract this remainder from this 5 digit number, largest 5 digit number, then we will get the result. And that result will be divisible by 99. So subtract 999 minus 9. Okay, so we will get the value 99990. And this is a 5 digit largest number that is exactly divisible by 99. Okay, so the correct answer is option C, 99990. Next, problem number 125. The smallest number of 5 digits. Similar to previous problem. Previously, we have discussed largest 5 digit number. Here they have given smallest 5 digit number. The smallest number of 5 digits exactly divisible by 476. So, the smallest 5 digit number is, first digit should be 1, remaining 4 digits should be zeros. Okay, so this is the smallest 5 digit number. And divide this smallest 5 digit number by this divisible value, that is 476. What is the remainder we will get it here? The remainder we will get here is 4. Okay, and here we will implement the logic like previous problem. Subtract the remainder from this smallest 5 digit number, then we will get the answer. We will consider. Okay, so here subtract 10000 minus 4. Okay, so 10 minus 4, it is 6. 999. Is it correct answer? So here if you are considering, this is a 4 digit largest number. Right? Here we need to get the answer smallest 5 digit number. Okay? Here we are getting only 4 digit. So this logic, like previous logic, if you are implementing in the sense, we are getting a wrong answer. So here we have to implement a different logic. So what is the logic in the sense? Subtract this remainder from this divisible value. That is 476 minus 4. We will get it as 472. Okay. And this value, if you are adding to the smallest 5 digit number, then we will get a smallest 5 digit number that is exactly divisible by 476. Okay. So now add the smallest 5 digit number plus this 472. So we will get it 10472. Okay. So now we are getting a smallest 5 digit number That is exactly divisible by 476. Okay. In the previous problem, we have considered the largest 5-digit number and divisible by 99. And we are getting a remainder, and the remainder is directly we have subtracted from this largest 5-digit number. We got the answer. We got the answer, that is largest 5-digit number exactly divisible by 99. Okay. But here if you are considering in the sense, here if you are implementing that logic in the sense, we are getting a wrong answer. So we need to consider here the remainder should be subtracted from the divisible value, and that result should be added to the smallest 5-digit number. Then we will get the correct answer. Okay. So the correct answer is option B, 10472. And this number is exactly divisible by 476. Thank you for watching this video.